In today's video, I am so excited. We are unboxing the FabFitFun for summer 2025. I am so excited. I love the subscription. You guys know this. This is a seasonal subscription. This is a lifestyle subscription box, so you get it every 3 months. I already did the spring for 2025. I will leave that down below. I'll leave it in my description box as well if you want to check that out. So if you want to see what I got, hear my thoughts and opinions, and is this puppy worth the money? Keep on watching. Alright, I know I look a hot mess. I know I do. It is pretty late in the day. It is 4:31. I am so excited. I cannot wait another day to unbox this. So we're just going to go for this. So excuse the way I look, but that's all good. Our co-hostess, Miss Kira, aka Kiri. Excuse me. Our co-hostess, Miss Akira, aka Kiri. And then we have Miss Aura, aka Ori. Alright, let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. Okay, so there's two ways you could pay for this. And I have my phone here because I want to make sure I tell you right. And I'll also link all the links in the description box and all the info in the description box as well. Okay, so you can buy this seasonal, right? So that way you would get it per box. So every 3 months, every season. So you would just pay when you're the summer box, then you pay when what will come next. Fall comes, and then the winter and all of that, right? If you pay it seasonal box, if you use code ANN, then you get 20% off your first box, which is a good deal. Then if you pay annual, so that means you pay the whole year, so it's a bigger chunk of change, but you get a little bit more of a discount if you do it that way. And if you do the annual, that will get you a $200 plus surprise gift. In order to get the $200 plus surprise gift, if you pay it annually, you have to use the code ANNEGIFT in all caps. That is the only way you'll be able to get that promotion when you sign up for annual member. Again, I will leave everything in the description box. So 2 ways of paying it. You could do it per box or an annual payment. I know I'm repeating myself, but the seasonal, you get 20% off using ANN, or you get the $200 plus surprise gift using ANNEGIFT if you do an annual. Okay, now I said that, and let's open this box.
If you just stop talking.
All right, where is, I don't need a knife. It just opens up like this. And I love the way now that they've been doing this for a while, but it's like you can put it in the recycling bin. So it says FabFitFun, our, what does that say, 50th box. Oh, wow, their 50th box. And here is a little sneak peek. Not too much. I like to tease a little bit. Boy, I'll tell you what, I love going to the beach. I live in Jersey, and I live about 30 minutes or about 40 minutes, depending on traffic, from like Atlantic City, Ocean City, New Jersey. I love going to the beach, and looking at this box is bringing me beach vibes. Definitely summer. Definitely. Oh, I cannot wait till it starts getting like really warm in Jersey. Okay, for choice 1, and I'll put all the pictures up here, what prices and all of that. There were a few things you get to pick from, okay? So the first one was a Show Me Your Moo Moo Sunseeker Tote, and that would be $68. You could have picked the Glow Recipe Blackberry Retinol Blemish Serum for $48. You could have picked the Bush Balm Francesca Bikini Body Trimmer for $65. The Turkish Beach Towel for $50. There was a dress. It was the Sol Angeles Galaxy Maisie dress, and that was, how much does that say? $128. They come in various sizes. Your Day and Salt Cellar for $55. You could have got the Air Callisto sunglasses for $40. The Air Spiral sunglasses for $40. Or the Roundhouse Sicily Stripe serving platter for $40. Now, this was hard for me to choose from, but I picked the Bikini and Body Trimmer for $65. I had to, but I'm either going to keep this or give this to my daughter. I don't know, but I had to. I don't know. I seen it and I'm like, yes, please. You know, I got my new friend now. We've been dating for a little bit, Ryan. So, you know, It's been a minute. It's been a long minute since I've been dating. So it comes with a little bag here and, you know, to put the trimmer in. But I think these are just the different size blade thingies. Yeah. Comes like this. Then you get this to clean like the hair out. You get this. And then this is the charger. And then you get a pamphlet. But this has some weight to it. This is nice. Comes like this. Let's open her up. Wow. Oh, it's still charged. Look at that. And of course, you can't hurt yourself. But this is good too for guys that want to trim up their beards or mustaches or what have you. But it's definitely good, you know.
Oh, you nasty.
And then you have this. You would just put this on. Like that. Okay. And then this, of course, helps you clean the hair out and all of that stuff. And I love the fact this is a charger. So, all right, I am really happy with this. But I really like how it comes with this bag. So if you're going somewhere, you could be secretive. You know, they don't have to know exactly what it is. Love that. That is so cute. And you can't even really see inside. You wouldn't know what it is unless you really looked, you know? I am so happy. This right here covers the whole box. This is $65. Okay, for choice 2, you had the First Aid Beauty Shower Nourishing Body Oil for $36. The Glow Recipe Papaya Cleansing Balm, it would be 100 mLs for $32. The Roundhouse Sicily Stripe Set and Dip Bowls for $50. The Swell Bento Box for $50. You could have got this sports bra. It comes in different sizes you could have got, which is great. I love how many sizes it comes in. You could have got the ribbed glasses as a set of 2 for $79. The NARS Afterglow Sensual Lip Shine in Breathless for $32. Or you could have got it in warm brown, burgundy red, or the burnished coral for $32. So there were 1, 2, 3, 4 shades you could have got from there, which is great. And I picked, you guys already should know me. This right here is the First Aid Beauty After Shower Nourishing Body Oil for $36. Let me tell you why. I love any type of oils. You know, I always tell you I'm diabetic, so my skin gets dry, and I love it, especially when you get done shaving your legs or what have you and putting oil on, but I love that soft feeling. So I always put an oil on, like when my skin is still a little damp, and then I go in with the lotion afterwards. So I've never tried this, wanted to try it, and I'll definitely keep you guys posted how I like it. Let's see how it smells. Oh, it has a very clean smell. Did I just get oil on my pants? Yes, I did. So I'm really happy to get this. Let me actually feel what the oil feels like. Can you guys see? Yeah, that feels nice. Just like a oil. It's not sticky. It feels really good. Wow. That, I know you can't feel my hand, but I wish you could. That's nice. I like that. I'm happy I chose that. All right, let's see what choice 3 would have got you. Okay, you could have got this Skincare Tools, the Thermo Recovery Mask for $60. You could have got a pair of earrings. They're like pearl earrings for $60. You could have got the Compartment Sunglasses Holder. It's a 3-compartment sunglass holder for $52. You could have got the Home Sick Lemongrass Breeze Candle for $35. The Thrive Cosmetics Bigger Than Beauty Skincare, what is this? It's a liquid lip treatment balm in vanilla swirl for $26. Or the Juliet Has the Gun, Not a Perfume, for 10 mils for $31. Now, I picked the Homesick, the lemongrass candle. And how much was that again? This was $35. I would have definitely got the Thrive Cosmetics if it was their mascara, because that Thrive Cosmetics is my favorite mascara, and I don't have any more, so I wish it was that. But I got this candle. You guys know I love me some candles. I have those candles there, but a couple of my friends got together for my birthday and got me those. They're the where you put the batteries in and stuff, but don't they look like real candles. They're beautiful, aren't they? But they're the dancing like light candles. It's absolutely gorgeous. And because I have the dogs in my room a lot, I don't light candles, but when they're not in my room, it's a different story. Oh, I can smell this already. My favorite scent is lemon. I love a good lemon soap. That's what I wish they would have had. Because if I would have got a lemon soap, it just smells like you get out of the shower or wet bath, whatever you take, and you just smell fresh and clean. Oh my goodness. That's my favorite scent for soap. Oh, this smells amazing. Let me tell you something. If this had the scent for soap, love it, because it's hard to get a good lemongrass scent. This is nice. This is beautiful. Like, this smells so good. I would literally purchase this for $35 or $36. I would literally purchase this myself. That's how good it smells. Wow. And it's 8 ounces. That is good. I don't think I've ever smelled a lemon candle that smells that good. Honest to God, that smells amazing. Oh, I am so happy. So for choice 4, you could have got the SPF 30 lotion for $22. It's by Basque. You could have got the Thrive Cosmetics waterproof eyeliner in Lauren for $24. That's like a brownish color. Or you could have got the Phase It Ingrown Hair Bikini Patches. It's a 24 count for $35.99. And that's what I got. And you already know why. I told you, I got my new friend. This will be our first summer we're spending together. And with that trimmer and everything else and shaving, I got to make sure, I look presentable. So I'm really happy about this. I don't really get in-ground hairs in my bikini line, but you never know. And again, I have a daughter, so, just in case she needs this or what have you. I didn't even know they had stuff like this. This is amazing for insecurities or what have you. And like that. So that's the size. Can you see the size? And so that's a pretty decent size. Do you see the yellow? Let me get close. So if that pimple sometimes it gets like really big. This is nice. It says it extracts and fades dark spots too. That's amazing. So yes, because my daughter has the deeper skin tone. So yeah, oh, that's good. So you don't need it just for the ingrown hairs, that causes the bumps and stuff. Hydrocolic has oh my God, I can't say lactic acid, azelaic acid, and niacinamide. Right here. Okay. I'm excited. So for choice 5, you could have got the Marilyn Schiff ring in silver for $42, or you could have got it in gold for $42. I didn't get it because I don't wear rings because my hand gets swollen and different things from the diabetes. So I never eat. That's why you never see me wear rings or anything. You could have got the Fraser Sterling Jelly Claw Clip for $24, which is beautiful. You could have got from Sweet Beauty, it's a Lash Lift Mascara for $30. First Aid Beauty Whole Body Deodorant Cream, it's a 3 ounce for $20. You could have got a fitness towel for $20. The Konjac Walnut Shell Exfoliating Body Sponge for $21. Or a Beach Pilot Straw Visor for $78. And if you guys been watching me, you already know I got the Konjac Walnut Shell Exfoliating Body Sponge for $21. Yes, I did, because I love exfoliating. I always did. I do my face, my body, and let's see. And be careful if you are allergic to like walnuts or whatever. And it's hard. Of course, you would wet this, but you can also, I'm sure, cut it and make it smaller to make it last. I want to see what it smells like. Yeah, it doesn't really smell like anything, and it comes like this, so that's nice. You can put it in your bathroom, because I have one of those things you put over the shower head. It has the baskets, and it has like little things you can hang. So All right. It's very hard, but please wet this. You know, I mean, you can use it dry, of course, but I would wet this, right? Let's see what this says. Yeah, soften sponge by running warm water under it. Add body wash to sponge and massage in circular motions. Use soft side for daily cleansing, walnut shell side for body exfoliation. Oh, okay. Yeah, so you have this or you have the soft. Okay. This is good, I would think, for your knees, your elbows, and stuff like that, you know? Oh, I'm really excited about this. This is a great, great, great box. It really is. For last but not least, the sixth choice item. Let's go to it. You could have picked a spare change floral cuff for $62. A volume detox dry shampoo for $30. Let's see. Parachute home makeup towel set of 2 for $34. The Earth Harbor Silk Bio Retinol Hydration Cream for $52. I don't know how to pronounce this. The Nopelia Mystico 10 millimeters perfume for $30. The Year and Day Ceramic Spoon Rest for $36. Or the First Aid Beauty Bump Eraser Body Scrub for $30. It's a fresh strawberry scent, which I've tried before, and it does work really, really good. But I picked, you guys should already know me here, the Earth Harbor Silk Bio Retinol Hydration Cream for $52. I always talk about this brand, Earth Harbor. There is nothing, it's a skincare brand. There is nothing that I have not used from this company that I haven't liked. I love their serums. I love their face oils. I have tried this before, and I love their creams. I will never turn down a good moisturizer or facial oil or serum. I always pick that. Since now I am 49 years young, my birthday was April 6th, that skincare is everything. I always tell you guys, you could buy a $100 foundation, but if you don't take care of your skin, that $100 foundation ain't gonna look good. You know what I mean? So you have to start with skin first. So I got this. This is such a great, great box. I mean, it is getting better and better. I thought the spring box was great. This is definitely, I mean, I don't know how they really could have got any better, really. It's really, really good. So let's recap everything that I got. I got the body sponge. I got the retinol moisturizer. This exceeded my expectations. Oh my God, that smells so good. I'm going to put that right now on my dresser. Okay, the Lemongrass Breeze by Homesick Candle. I definitely recommend this if you like lemons.
2 very boring minutes later.
If you guys can see my glasses over here, I put it right there. Yes, I did. Okay, we got the trimmer. I'm so excited about this too. Love it. I'm really, really, really happy about this body oil. I'm leaving it right on my dresser because I come right up here and get dressed and everything. I love this ingrown hair bikini patch, but I love the fact it fades dark spots. Love it. What else? Is that all? Because I'm so excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What am I missing? Oh, I'm dumb. I said everything. It was the candle that I put away. Anywho, ignore that. Don't forget to like the video or dislike it. Make sure you leave a comment. Commenting really does help out with engagement, even if it's just an emoji. It would mean the absolute world to me. Don't forget, check my description box. I will link all the info with the Ann if you pay for season, or the Ann gift if you do annual. Everything will be down below. And yeah, that's everything, guys. Stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay healthy, and most importantly, always stay you. Never let somebody take you out of your character. Do as I say, not as I do. Bye, guys. Are you guys ready to go downstairs? Huh? You ready, Ori? I love that army crawl she does. Alrighty. Bye.